Well guys, today I'm on the Allure of the Seas and I'm going to show you quickly the Boardwalk. This is located on deck 6. It's at the back of the ship. We're just going to do a walkthrough, and if you'll stay to the end, I'm going to go up on the upper decks and I'll show you what it looks like from way up high. Then I'll also come back at night and we'll get some night footage. I'm doing this walkthrough on a port day. There's not many people back here. First thing we come to is they got a carousel back here. A few shops, some restaurants. If you'll notice, there's balcony cabins back here, and what's nice about these balcony cabins is you can see outside. You can actually look out the back of the ship and you can see the aqua water show all from your balcony, so that's pretty cool. I believe if I was going to have a balcony that wasn't overlooking the outside ocean view, I think this would probably be the balcony cabins I'd like to have. Okay, I'm entering the back of the ship right now, and there's a big aqua theater back here. They have a big aqua show. It's really neat. If you'll stay tuned, I'll try to put a few video clips up of that. Sides at the back, they have rock climbing walls. And here's the one on the other side.
this could be something that was unimaginable a couple of days ago, potentially imaginable right now. I hasten to add, though, it wasn't all this. There was some disturbing news at Home Depot with sales that were not what they thought they were. Furthermore,
All right, let's go through the doors and we'll head up to the upper decks and we'll take a look from high up down to it, and then at the end I'll come back at night and we'll get some night footage. You can see all the balcony cabins. We're back at sea here, so there's people down there now, and you can see the back of the boat. You can see the wake back there. There's the carousel. You can look down and see it spinning. Well, let's go down to the other end and we'll get some footage from the other end looking back. Well, all right, let's go out and get a little night footage. Well, guys, I appreciate you watching this little video. Hey, if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more cruise videos. Now that I'm retired, I plan on doing a lot more. So, again, thanks for watching. Happy cruising.